Hello, here's a quick video. As I have mentioned a time or two, there's a screw that I thought I was missing, but it's not the right screw. Okay, a time or two I mentioned that pencils and their corresponding erasers are really good, really fine, really wonderful for cleaning edge connectors and even pins on chips. You gotta be careful you don't goose, and otherwise screw up the pins. But for edge connectors, these are great. So I was at a place who, well, they say they're a charity, but they're not. In other words, yes, it was a secondhand store called Value Village. Now, I much prefer others, like the Salvation Army store, that are indeed charities. Value Village is a corporate giant saying, oh yes, bring us your stuff so we can sell it at high prices. For example, I went there last year thinking, oh, I'll save money. I'll look for some shirts. Andrew wanted either shirts that were white or black. So I went in there and I looked around and said, well, I really don't find anything that's really great that would be like what he's asking for or the right size. So I will go to another thing that I try not to go to. And that is, of course, Walmart. And there I found brand new shirts that were to his liking, white or black, black or white, and the right sizes and stuff. And there, these same shirts, first of all, I couldn't find what I wanted at Value Village, and still they were like, I don't know, maybe $10, $11, $12, the things that I could find that I didn't want. And I went to Walmart and brand new shirts that were much better and exactly what he wanted, and of course brand new, were quite a bit less. I think they were $8 each, and if you bought two, they were $6 each. So yay, Value Village. We won't overcharge you. Anyway, for some things it's good. For example, pencils. I went in, and I guess, like somebody had a whole whack of pencils. There were some colored pencils in with the thing. I took them out. Well, they'll be used somewhere. But I ended up getting, I don't know how many, like 2 handfuls of pencils. With erasers, mostly unused. I'll tuck them in here because they're handy. And chances are a lot of the pencils are not even sharp. And they probably never will be. But the erasers will get used. So sometimes some stores that we would not otherwise go to are a necessary evil. I did look at another thrift store, but they don't, like Value Village has racks and racks and racks of such things, and other places just don't, that I found anyway. I will keep looking to find an acceptable Canadian, but also not like a charity that really is a charity and not a corporate giant. Anyway, I have pencils. Life is good. So, thanks for coming. And anyway, as I say, edge connectors, as in the user port, IEEE port, cassette ports, all the things, the edge connector things where you plug your connector on, they can get corrosion, micro corrosion, or otherwise. Sometimes they just don't look sharp. Not sharp, they look dull. And you can shine them up quite nicely with a pencil eraser. Maybe some deoxide afterwards, but definitely sometimes you need an eraser. Anyway, I wonder if I have a board here. I'm sure I do. Oh, don't hurt anything. Don't hurt anything. What's going on here? Here. There. See that in the corner right up here? Those are the edge connectors I refer to. Clean them up. Clean them up. clean him up. All right. Thanks for coming to the TV room, where I'm David Bradley, your host. We'll see you again soon. Bye for now.